Okay, so the last thing, very, very optional, but a lot of students do ask about this in my other courses, has to do with the color scheme, the fonts, the icons, all the sort of visual interface stuff of my editor. So back when I was using Sublime, I got a lot of comments about this, so I'm just going to talk about it here if you want to sort of have the exact same setup as me. So back in VS Code, if you do want to just change your scheme with the built-in ones, you don't want to install any extensions, you can do Command-Shift-P to open up this palette, and you can type theme, preferences, color theme is what we want. You can also access it by going code, preferences, color theme. And this is the shortcut, Command-K, Command-T, just Command-K and T at the same time. Anyway, so you can change from some of the built-in ones. These are all, they come installed by default. Let's do a light one just to show the difference. There you go. That's one option. What I'm going to do, however, is install one that I like called Material Theme. So if you just search for Material, it's this one here, Material Theme. And you can see sort of a preview of what it looks like. I like it. There's a couple of different color options. There's some documentation down here. And all you have to do is click Install and then reload your entire window, basically to make those changes take effect. We still haven't selected that theme, but it's now installed. So now if I go back and do, well, I could just type Material Theme, but if I go back and do Theme, which again, Command-Shift-P, or Code, Preferences, Color Theme, you can see now I have these Material Theme options. And I think the one, I actually don't remember, the one that I was using, do they explain them down here? There's no photos. I think I like this one here that was sort of a purpley gray color. So let's see. Let's go Preferences, Color Theme, Material Theme, Pale Nights, maybe? Maybe that's the one. Yeah, that looks like it. Okay, so that installs the theme. And if I go look at my HTML file, you can see the colors have changed in here. It also changes some of the colors over here. If you do go visit the Material Theme documentation, just extensions, you click on it under Enabled. It tells you some of the other things you can do. So to activate it, we already did that. To fix the file icons, you can type Material Theme Fix File Icons, and it will basically use the correct icons. I'll show you what it looks like in a moment. You can set the accent color. I think I'd set mine to purple. There's a couple other things you can do. So after doing all of that, this is what my user settings look like. If you do just want to copy this, I set the accent color to purple. Again, the way I did that was set accent color right here, and then it gives you a couple choices. So I didn't type this by hand, but notice that's all purple. What else? Same thing. If I go look at my icons now, you can see that they're different. I have app.css is the CSS3 icon. This is the HTML5 icon. All sorts of things are changed. Anyway, that's pretty much it to my theme. Again, if you want the exact same one, it's called Material Theme, but there's plenty of other ones. If you just type theme up here, you'll probably get hundreds, and they all vary. A lot of them are pretty ugly in my opinion, but there's definitely some nice ones too. So you can play around with that. Not a deal breaker. Okay, now that we have all of that out of the way, we're actually ready to start with Bootstrap. So thanks for enduring this little section. It's never that fun. Okay, moving on.